Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to get fish quickly step by step. Start by scouting a productive spot with current or structure, then pick a versatile rod and line. Use a reliable bait that matches local forage and present it naturally near cover. Keep noise low and make short casts to cover water efficiently. Adjust retrieves until you get bites, land fish quickly, and release or store them properly. Pick gear that reduces setup time and increases hookup rates, like a medium action rod with 812 lb line and a simple reel. Choose 3 baits to cover most situations: live bait, a soft plastic, and a small crankbait. Keep rigs pre-tied and in a labeled box for quick swaps. Wear polarized sunglasses to find fish and use a small landing net to secure fish quickly with minimal stress. If you're enjoying these quick fishing tips, please subscribe and like so more helpful videos reach you. On another note, quick recommendation. Stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle I used today. It's great for long trips and keeps hands dry while you fish. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on efficient methods. Cast near structure, retrieve with purpose, and keep presentations short. Work a spot with 8-12 targeted casts, varying speed and pauses to find what triggers strikes. If you get no interest, move on quickly and try a different bait or depth. Read water for current seams and drop-offs where fish ambush prey, and keep confidence high while adjusting tactics until you get bites.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.